Hey, it's another episode of Crazy Boys. We're about
to do horrible gymnastics because we don't know what to do.
Yeah, we can't do gymnastics.
One time we tried it, didn't come out pretty at all.
No. So here we go.
All right. What do we do now? What? Do you want to go first? Okay.
So what do I do?
I don't know.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the tuck in your ass.
A what?
Tuck and roll.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Tuck my head in. Then you're gonna roll. That hurt. Okay, ready?
Yes. Yay!
That really hurt.
Okay, my turn. Thing where you go spinning, right?
Cartwheel.
Again. How is this possible? Like, you have to do a handstand.
Do it.
Yeah. No. Let me try it this way. Wait.
Mosquito bite.
Okay, last try. My foot, it's broken. Ew. Never mind, I'm not gonna do that. No.
You farted?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
What happened?
A little piece of crap.
What's that?
Nothing.
How do you know her?
What? Her name's Desiree.
How do you know her? Okay, your turn to do something now.
Okay.
Look at the curtains.
Shh, stop filming them.
Five-fold.
It's bad.
Five-fold.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Ooh, look at motorcycle. Okay, your turn.
Cartwheel. I'm gonna do a backflip while I do my cartwheel.
Well.
Yeah. You do it, my turn. Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Come on.
My turn.
That's how you do it.
Just gonna do something. Split. Wait.
Do it.
Okay. Which way does it go? This way? This way.
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Wait. Oh God. That's so hurt. Okay. And go down. And wait. Okay. I'm gonna try this way. No, I can't do a split. And you? Can you?
I'll try.
Okay, it hurts. I'm telling you, it hurts.
Oh, goodness gracious.
You okay?
No.
Exactly.
Stop the camera. I'm stuck.
Okay, he's stuck. Hold on.
It hurts to get up.
No! No! There. What else do you think we should do? Oh, I know. Handstand. But like the flip kind. Okay? that hurt. Oh, done. Wait. Wait, no. I don't think I can do it. Wait. One last try. Now. One more. I know I can do it.
Wait, ready? Listen. I farted.
Okay. Yeah. Ow.
Well done.
Okay, what are you going to do now? Can you think of anything? Can you think of anything? Just don't fart.
Ready?
Yeah? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do?
Ready?
What are you trying to, what are you trying to do?
Ice cream truck.
Listen softly. That was brought to you by Mr. Soft.
Wow.
Crazy boys! Okay, is that all we have?
I think so.
Okay.
This has been Crazy Boys.
Yes.
Up the sky, down to the ground.
Don't do that. No. Sorry.
Oh.
No.